Mastering the Mystique. Indefinite Quantitative Adjectives Uncovered. Hello, language learners. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a fantastic part of English grammar: indefinite quantitative adjectives. These adjectives may sound a bit complex, but I promise you, by the end of this video, you'll be using them like a pro. In English, indefinite quantitative adjectives are adjectives that give unspecific information about the quantity or amount of a noun. They don't tell us the exact number, but they do give a general idea. Examples of indefinite quantitative adjectives include words like some, many, few, several, any, etc. Consider this sentence: I have some apples. Here, some is the indefinite quantitative adjective because it gives us an idea of quantity but doesn't specify the exact number of apples. The beauty of indefinite quantitative adjectives is that they help us to be vague or indirect when we either don't know the exact quantity or when the exact quantity isn't important. They're especially useful when the precise number isn't known or doesn't need to be exact. Let's take a look at some examples. 1. She has many friends. We don't know the exact number, but we understand that she has a large number of friends. 2. There are few solutions to this problem. Again, an exact number isn't given, but we know that the solutions are not many. 3. Can you give me some sugar? Here, the speaker is not interested in a specific quantity of sugar, just some. The best way to get comfortable with indefinite quantitative adjectives is to practice. Try to use them in your daily conversations and written exercises. Remember, the key is to convey an unspecified amount. Here are a few practice sentences. 1. There are __ books on the table. Many, some, few. 2. He has __ friends in the city. Several, few, many. 3. Can I have __ cake, please? Some, any. Fill in the blanks with the suitable indefinite quantitative adjective and see how it changes the meaning of the sentence. And there you have it. By now, you should have a pretty solid understanding of indefinite quantitative adjectives. They're an essential part of English grammar, allowing us to convey quantities without being exact. Practice makes perfect, so don't forget to use these adjectives in your daily English. Thank you for tuning in, and happy learning!